Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial video on how to install the VIDIQ extension step by step. First, you want to have Chrome downloaded on your computer. I would like to add you cannot use VIDIQ extension on your phone. You cannot use it on Safari. You cannot use it on Firefox, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo.com. None of that. It has to be Chrome browser. Now, when you have Chrome open, you're going to go to the three little dots on the right-hand corner of the top next to the profile picture. You're going to want to click Extensions. Then, after that, you want to click Visit Chrome Web Store. If you click Manage Extensions, it will show you all the extensions that you have, but you're still going to have to go to Chrome Web Store in that page when it opens up. So, with that being said, so we click on here, Chrome Web Store. You like to type VIDIQ, Vision for YouTube. Oh, I never knew it was called Vision for YouTube. So next you click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. The installation was success. The installation was successful.
Hello,
you will
everyone,
get this video.
Welcome to VIDIQ. One last important step.
And now you want to click here, go back to your extensions, manage extensions, and have this toggled. Now if you go here and you click pin, it will pop up on your browser here. And you really want to have that pinned and the little toggled, because this will give you access to unlimited information. Very, very great information. Like, for example, for this video of somebody that I was watching, this is the analytics from VIDIQ. This is I guess the first day he posted it, or a couple days ago he posted it, and this is the outline of how many views he got. He's doing very good on this channel. Views per hour. You also get this up here, which shows you daily ideas, competitors, trend alerts, most viewed, channel audit, keyword inspector, achievements, VIDIQ Academy, VIDIQ rewards. VIDIQ Academy, I recommend it 1000%. I just made a video. Well, I'm gonna post a video, so go ahead and check that out. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Also, well, VIDIQ period has a whole bunch of great features that you really want to utilize, get the most bang for your buck. If you're paying for it, use it. If you're not paying for it and you got a free subscription, also you can use my link. I'll leave it in the description. You can I think you can get it for free for a month, but if you use that, then make sure you use all the features that they have. They have so many great things that can really help you out with, creation. And yeah, so let's go back.
Don't already know me.
So yeah, essentially that's what you want to do, guys. I hope you'd enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching out my tutorial on how to install the VIDIQ extension step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. I appreciate you guys.